National Weather Service in Sioux Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lyon County in northwestern Iowa, northwestern Osceola County in northwestern Iowa, north central Sioux County in northwestern Iowa, eastern Rock County in southwestern Minnesota, Nobles County in southwestern Minnesota, southern Murray County in southwestern Minnesota, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ellsworth, or near Rock Rapids, moving northeast at 80 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, Train Spotter reported 3-inch branch down near Dune, Iowa. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Adrian and Blue Mountain State Park around 7:55 p.m. Rushmore and Lismore around 8 p.m. Worthington, Leota and Wilmot around 8:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Chandler and Fulda. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Lyon, Sioux and Osceola, and the following counties in Minnesota: Nobles, Rock and Murray. A severe thunderstorm